Hey everyone, welcome to Shoot On. In the late 1990s, Benelli developed the M4 shotgun. It was a 12 gauge semi-auto that they hoped would be selected as the new joint service shotgun for the U.S. military. Well, ultimately, Benelli did win that contract, and the M1014, as it was called, went into service in 1999. Of course, a couple years later, we are into the global war on terror, so the new shotgun, the new joint service shotgun, went right into action, baptism by fire, if you will, and it did prove itself in combat. And this year, Benelli has taken that same combat-proven DNA from the M1014 and shifted it over to the M4. Now, the M4 has been around for a while for civilian sales, but it's been limited to a 5+1 capacity and a fixed length stock. Well, the new M4 EXT that's just been introduced goes one further. It, following on the M1014, it's got a 7+1 capacity, and the stock is adjustable in length. So we're going to take a look at that right now. Like the M1014, the new M4 EXT is gas operated instead of inertia driven. Cycling comes from Benelli's Argo system. This stands for auto-regulating gas operation. This is a twin piston design that allows reliable cycling of a broad range of loads. Benelli developed the Argo system because part of the requirement for the joint service shotgun project was that the gun needed to cycle reliably with varying weight being added to the gun, such as optics or lights. Inertia-driven shotguns are somewhat weight sensitive, so anything that changes the gun's weight could cause a cycling issue with certain loads. In the years since the M1014 came out, Benelli offered a civilian version of this shotgun, but unlike the M1014, which is only available to military and law enforcement agencies, the civilian M4 has a 5+1 capacity instead of a 7+1, and both available stocks are fixed length. But that's changed with Benelli's introduction of the M4 EXT, or M4 Extended, and that's what we're testing here today. The M4 EXT is built on the same platform as the M1014 and the previous civilian M4 shotguns. The key differences are that the M4 EXT now has a 7+1 shot capacity, meaning 7 in the chamber and 1 in the barrel for a total of 8 rounds. Furthermore, the M4 EXT stock is now adjustable, just like the M1014. There are 5 positions, so you can customize the length of pull. Another big difference with the M4 EXT is that it comes with a larger bolt release. This is a big plus for a defensive shotgun when you're performing emergency reloads. You don't want to be fumbling around with the button when you need to get back in the fight. Benelli is also offering the M4 EXT in 3 different finishes rather than the typical M4 Black. Buyers can choose from between Multicam Black, which is what we're running here, plus H2O and FDE. The stock's butt pad is super comfortable and really helps soak up recoil, but that plush rubber is also really grippy. When it's time to reload, you've got to push out from the shoulder mount or run the risk of butt pad tripping on your clothing. Our testing today has shown the M4 EXT to be everything you want in a personal defense shotgun. It cycles reliably with whatever ammunition you feed it. It has an ergonomic fit with its adjustable stock and robust rubber grip. And the 7+1 capacity means you'll probably be able to take care of the problem before you run out of ammo. In short, the M4 EXT is built to get the job done with efficiency and dependability. You know, we've been hoping for some time that Benelli would come out with a civilian version, full-featured civilian version of the M1014, and the M4 EXT definitely does that. You got the extra capacity on the magazine, of course the sliding stock, adjustable, and the larger bolt release. That's a huge plus. So I think this is going to be a home run for Benelli. If you're interested, these are available now at your dealer or your online retailer, whichever you prefer. And if you want to learn more about this gun, we take a deeper dive over at shooton.com. The link is in the description below. Go check it out.